Hi, my name is Louis Mako. I'm going to show you how to put together a typical sawhorse of ours. My partner Ken is the cameraman. So this is an assembled horse. This is one that's partly assembled. And I'm going to put the last set of legs together here. Notice the hardware, known as T-nuts, go on the far side as I hold the horse upside down on a table, and the leg with holes goes on the near side, and then I can thread the bolts in with the Allen wrench and take up the screws, but not too tight, just a bit loose. And the reason is we want to make sure there is no gap at the top of the legs within the stretcher. So now I turn it right side up, and as you can see, we have gaps at the top, and I'm going to then tap down on top of the leg in order to get the gap to go away, and then I tighten up these bolts like so, and then I flip it to the other side and make sure those are tight up into the pockets as best we can so there's no gap, and get my Allen wrench in there, tighten it up. Still a little gap, which I'd like to get rid of. So I'm going to tap it again. There we go. These are machined on a 5-axis CNC machine, which does a very accurate job. But it does mean when you put it together, you want to take advantage of that and get the legs snug. And there you have it, the assembled horse. And of course, we have a pocket for the Allen wrench, so 10 years from now, you can find it. Thank you very much.